Did you know that by drinking this elixir daily, you can have amazing health and metabolic benefits? First, let's break down what metabolism actually is. At its core, metabolism refers to the complex network of chemical processes that occur within your body to maintain life. These processes convert the food and drinks you consume into energy, which fuels everything your body does, from breathing and circulating blood to repairing cells and even thinking. Metabolism can be divided into two categories: catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism is the breakdown of molecules to obtain energy, while anabolism is the synthesis of all compounds needed by the cells. These two processes work together to ensure your body has the energy it needs to function properly. Your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, is the number of calories your body needs at rest to maintain basic bodily functions. It's influenced by factors like age, sex, muscle mass, and genetic predisposition. A higher metabolism means your body burns calories and fat reserves more efficiently, which is why boosting your metabolic rate is often a goal for those looking to lose weight or improve their health. Why is it important to have good metabolic health? Good metabolic health is crucial for overall well-being and long-term vitality. When your metabolism is functioning optimally, it means that your body is efficiently converting food into energy and effectively managing its use. Here are key reasons why maintaining good metabolic health is important. Weight management. An efficient metabolism helps your body burn calories more effectively, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight or lose excess pounds. A sluggish metabolism can lead to weight gain and make weight loss more challenging. It provides increased energy levels. A well-functioning metabolism ensures a steady supply of energy throughout the day. This helps you stay active, focused, and productive. Poor metabolic health can lead to fatigue, lethargy, and decreased stamina. Blood sugar control. Metabolism plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar levels. Good metabolic health helps your body process glucose effectively, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Heart health. A healthy metabolism supports cardiovascular health by maintaining healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It also helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Hormonal balance. Metabolic health influences the balance of hormones in your body, which affects everything from mood and stress levels to appetite and sleep patterns. Body composition. An efficient metabolism aids in the maintenance of lean muscle mass while minimizing fat accumulation. This promotes a healthy body composition, which is associated with reduced risk of chronic diseases. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar, known as ACV, is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It's a popular health tonic that has been used for centuries for its potential health benefits. A CV is produced through a two-step fermentation process. First, crushed apples are combined with yeast to convert their sugars into alcohol. Then, bacteria are added to further ferment the alcohol into acetic acid, which is the main active compound in vinegar. How is it made? Apple cider vinegar is believed to have originated in ancient Babylon around 5000 BC, where it was used as a food preservative and health tonic. Over time, it spread to other cultures, including the Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks, who also utilized its health benefits. Today, it's widely available and is produced in many countries around the world. Its production begins with crushing apples to extract their juice. The juice is then combined with yeast to initiate fermentation, where the natural sugars are converted into alcohol. This alcoholic liquid is known as hard apple cider. In the second fermentation step, acetic acid bacteria are introduced to convert the alcohol into acetic acid. The result is a liquid that contains acetic acid, water, and trace amounts of other compounds like polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. What is acetic acid? Acetic acid is the main active component of vinegar, accounting for its distinct flavor and many of its health-promoting properties. Acetic acid has been studied for its potential to aid weight loss by increasing metabolism and promoting fat burning. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the rate at which glucose enters the bloodstream. Additionally, acetic acid exhibits antimicrobial properties, making it effective against certain bacteria and fungi. What are the incredible health effects of apple cider vinegar? It's renowned for its numerous health benefits. Here are its many important effects. Glucose reduction. ACV has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels after meals, improving overall glucose metabolism. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Acetic acid helps slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This effect contributes to better blood sugar control and reduces the risk of insulin resistance. Lipid reduction. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can help lower triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Acetic acid may improve lipid metabolism by reducing the liver's production of fat and enhancing its breakdown. This can lead to better heart health and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Improved metabolism. It has been shown to boost metabolism by increasing the expression of genes involved in fat burning. Acetic acid enhances the body's ability to break down fats and utilize them as an energy source. This metabolic boost can support weight loss efforts and help maintain a healthy body composition. Better heart health. The heart-healthy benefits of ACV extend beyond lipid reduction. Its antioxidant properties help protect the cardiovascular system from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. It also supports healthy blood pressure levels, contributing to overall cardiovascular wellness. Hormonal balance. Apple cider vinegar may help balance hormones by supporting the liver's detoxification processes. A healthy liver is essential for metabolizing hormones effectively, ensuring hormonal harmony. ACV's impact on blood sugar regulation can also contribute to better hormone balance, as stable blood sugar levels influence hormone production and release. Body composition benefits. ACV can support body composition goals by promoting fat loss and preserving lean muscle mass. The acetic acid in ACV enhances the body's ability to utilize fat as an energy source, aiding in weight loss and reducing body fat percentage. This contributes to a healthier body composition and improved overall fitness. Digestion benefits. The acetic acid in ACV can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and increasing stomach acid. This enhances the breakdown of food and improves nutrient absorption, reducing bloating and indigestion. Better microbiota. ACV's antimicrobial properties also help maintain a healthy gut microbiota, supporting overall digestive health. ACV supports a healthy gut microbiota by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and inhibiting the growth of harmful pathogens. A balanced gut microbiota is essential for digestion, immune function, and overall well-being. ACV's prebiotic properties provide nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, fostering a diverse and thriving microbiome. Improved insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity is one of the key benefits of apple cider vinegar. ACV enhances the body's ability to respond to insulin, allowing glucose to enter cells more efficiently. This effect helps lower blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Polyphenol content. Apple cider vinegar contains polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Polyphenols also contribute to ACV's heart-healthy and anti-aging benefits. Why not drink it pure? This is because ACV's high acidity can irritate the throat and esophagus, causing pain. Additionally, undiluted vinegar can damage tooth enamel if consumed too frequently. To avoid these issues, it's best to dilute ACV with water or incorporate it into recipes like salad dressings. Can it affect your teeth? Apple cider vinegar's acidity can erode tooth enamel if it's kept in contact with teeth for extended periods. To protect your teeth, it's important not to swish ACV around in your mouth or hold it against your teeth. After consuming ACV, consider rinsing your mouth with water to help neutralize the acid. How to drink it. To enjoy the benefits of apple cider vinegar, mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with 250 to 300 milliliters of water. This dilution reduces its acidity, making it better for consumption. You can also add ACV to salads as a flavorful dressing. Consuming it before meals may enhance its effects on blood sugar control and digestion. How to enhance its effects. To maximize the benefits of apple cider vinegar, consider incorporating it into a balanced lifestyle. Pairing ACV with a healthy diet rich in high-quality lean proteins, fiber, and healthy fats can enhance its effects on metabolism and body composition. Regular physical activity, such as cardiovascular exercise and strength training, can further boost metabolic health and weight loss efforts. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine alongside other healthy habits can create a synergistic effect, supporting overall well-being. Remember that consistency is key, and gradual lifestyle changes are more sustainable in the long term. Do ACV gummies work? While apple cider vinegar gummies are a popular alternative, they may not offer the same benefits as liquid ACV. The gummy form reduces its acidity, potentially diminishing its effectiveness. Additionally, gummies often contain added sugars and other ingredients that may counteract the health benefits of ACV. For optimal results, it's best to consume ACV in its liquid form, properly diluted. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, so maintaining good metabolic health is fundamental to overall well-being and vitality. Metabolism, the intricate web of chemical processes that fuel our bodies, plays a critical role in weight management, energy levels, blood sugar control, heart health, hormonal balance, and body composition. Optimizing your metabolism ensures efficient energy conversion and utilization, which is key to maintaining a healthy weight and preventing chronic diseases. Apple cider vinegar, a health tonic made from fermented apple juice, has emerged as a powerful ally in enhancing metabolic health. Its main component, acetic acid, contributes to improved glucose and lipid metabolism, boosting the body's ability to burn fat and regulate blood sugar levels. ACV also supports heart health, hormonal balance, digestion, and gut microbiota, thanks to its antimicrobial properties and polyphenol content. While ACV offers numerous benefits, it should be consumed diluted to prevent irritation and potential dental issues. Incorporating it into a balanced lifestyle, alongside healthy eating and regular exercise, can amplify its effects and support sustainable health improvements. For optimal results, integrating liquid ACV into your routine remains the best approach to harnessing its full potential. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.